I'm Terry with Towers Murray Plumbing, here to show you how to repair a toilet flange seal. Okay, to repair a flange seal, first thing you're going to want to do is turn the water off, disconnect your water line, drain your tank, and then remove the water from the bowl. Next, remove the nuts on both sides of the toilet. And the washers. Pull your toilet up. Now you'll want to check to see if it's the seal or the flange that's actually giving you a problem. A couple of different kinds of seals are rubber seals, a couple of different kinds of wax seals. Now, if you've got a broken flange, at this time you'll want to repair that flange. A couple of different kinds of repair kits. Stainless steel, this is a full repair. There's also quarter repairs. If you've got a broken flange, you'll want to get that repaired before you re-put your seal. And again, I'm Terry with Towers Murray Plumbing, and we've showed you how to repair a toilet flange seal.